Okay, ito na po ulit yung official trailer ng I Am Not Big Bird. Let's watch this.
5 years na tayo, pero parang hindi pa rin tayo nag-grow. I'm sorry, but I'm done. I'm done with your small little...
So what kung balik? Minahal ko naman siya.
Oh, ganda.
Be the bigger man. This will be the best day of our lives. Pero wala na ata tayo. Do you know where the massage is? You know the massage? Aray! Aray ko! Sino mag-welcome ng turist ko dito? Big Bird. Hindi sinaya. Hindi na lang tayo ng tulong. We need tour guide.
Kabaliktad, yung po man
Your name is Titi?
Yes, Project Kitty.
Can you take us somewhere happy?
Happy.
แน่ใจมากเลยมาล่ะว่าคือบิ๊กเบิร์ดตัวเป็นๆเลย
สวัสดีค่ะ
Can't believe I'm here with the legend. Why did you disappear, Big Bird?
Me? Big?
I will get your penis! Big Bird!
I am not Big Bird! Kaya mo panggap, nagmakauwi na tayo. I-own the truth. Wala nang i-issue ng itong ibig. Pero never na magkakaroon ng bayan. I can be a bigger man. Very small bird. Very tiny. That is coffee.
Yon! Yun yung official trailer. Grabe, captured yung kwela ng pelikula. Okay, before I call in Chad Rosetet for our first question, hindi kami nabanggit lang si Direct Victor kanina na naalala ko. Daring daw kasi to, so hindi siya sure kung kaya mo talagang gawin. How daring ba yung gagawin mo dito?
Well,
Nagpakita ka ba?
Ha?
Nagpakita ka?
may isang scene. May isang scene. Na, syempre, kailangan ko i-prove na hindi nga ako si Big Bird, di ba? So,
Okay.
yung scene na yun. Pero it goes to a very intense scene na weird dynamics na hindi pa ata nakikita. Ever.
Hindi nyo ba napanood yung pelikula?
Napanood
namin. This was shot in Pattaya, right?
Yes.
Masaya doon.
Bangkok.
In Bangkok also. Pattaya and Bangkok. How many % of the film was shot in Thailand?
Mga
80%. Okay, wow.
83%.
83.
Kinakain ko sa utak ko.
83% naman pala. Okay. Yeah, okay. No, let's ask first itong from Chad Rosete of Manila Feed. Chad, basahin ko na yung question mo. Is Chad here? Okay, wala. For Enrique, Pepe, Nikko, and Red, okay, for the cast, if you were to choose, kayo ba ay Big Bird or not Big Bird?
Pass!
Wala naman sa choice yun eh. Ready.
If I were to choose,
Ikaw ba ay Big Bird or not Big Bird?
parang ang laking responsibility ng Big Bird eh. Dahil yung natutunan ko sa shoot na
Basta walang explanation, pili lang.
Pili lang ba ako kayo? Not.
Not Big Bird. Nico.
Nico Ducks nga eh.
Oh!
Ano sabi ng survey? Big Bird.
Okay. Pepe?
Proudly not Big Bird.
Smile ka pa Ken, ikaw? Both.
Hindi naman lagi, di ba? Minsan, pag malamig, di ba?
Alam mo, we're gonna be in big trouble.
Seasonal.
Ken,
Hindi.
you have no idea kung anong pwede nilang itanong, ha?
Pretty good,
With your
pretty good.
movie title pala, I don't know. Where will this go? Baka mag-viral ka bigla tonight. Okay. Ken, ang next question ni Chad is, after ilang years na magkasama kayo ni Liza for projects, paano ka nag-adjust sa mga pagbabago sa career mo now that you're doing a solo project like this?
Adjust?
Was there an adjustment? Siguro, okay, maganda kasi, I have a trivia here,
Yeah.
that for the last Valentine offerings noon ng Star Cinema and Black Sheep, you've done My X and Y's and
Yes.
Alone Together.
Correct.
So it's with someone.
Yes.
So now you're doing a Valentine movie alone.
Yes.
Kaya siguro
Well,
hence
I'm
the
not
question.
alone. I have my barkado.
Yes.
Pero, well,
Iba din sumagot, magaling.
siguro not only, doing this alone without Liza, I think also me being out for almost like 4 years was itself also an adjustment for me to go back and, get back on track. Pero medyo nasanay din ako. I mean, not super, but before I was paired up with Liza and our love team, lagi naman ako pinapair with everybody else, and I really did it
Yeah, you've done
solo.
Seven Sundays.
Yeah, a lot of movies on my own. So, of course, it felt weird, different, but it wasn't so alien to me.
This was really refreshing.
Super.
Kasi parang talagang walang ka-love team, ikaw lang talaga, and you're with a bunch of crazy people.
Yeah, we just have fun, di ba?
Yeah.
So walang masyadong iyakan, puro tawanan lang.
Ganon yung vibe niya.
Yeah.
Pero why daw Thailand? Direct. Lilith.
Kasi doon nangyari yung napagkamalang porn actor yung kasama ko. And at the same time, nung panahon ng mga... Kasi yung porn ngayon libre na eh. Nung panahon ng 90s, sikat yung Thailand as a pleasure place. Saka tumira ako doon, so alam ko yung era of Bangkok during that time.
May first-hand experience ka naman pala, Lilith, doon.
Mahirap kasi
Sa local.
maging Dax pag 90s.
Okay, thank you, Chad, for your question. Next is from Nikki from Arambula Live. For Enrique, was deciding to make your big comeback and work on the film something you had in mind for a long time? Or was there a pivotal moment that you experienced that led you to become ready to return to acting?
Well, ever since before, I've always wanted to do films that I like watching. Not necessarily like comedy, but in my mind, I really want to do a crazy adventure comedy movie. Which this is the one, and Hangover and stuff. I'm a big fan of comedies kasi. So I've always wanted to have that in my list of projects na gagawin ko, and more other genres pa. So when this came up, and I was like, yes, I need to do this, and I think it's time. Especially everyone's coming back. The pandemic ended. Everyone's starting to open up and go back to watching films, and I think it's just nice to do something different, something exciting.
Saka sa mga single sa Valentine's, no? Perfect nung ano.
Oo, I mean lahat, single.
Barkada actually.
Barkada, kahit wala kayong, sabi nga nila, pag wala silang maisip, kung gusto mo i-date isang girl,
Right.
it's the perfect, excuse.
Right. So, may sabihin ka, bukay.
Pwede mo rin sama yung parents mo.
Oo.
Sure ka ba dyan?
Pwede.
Yes.
Pwede.
Manonood din si mama.
Sigurado ba? Totoo ba?
Yeah, sorry mom.
You know what, MJ, I'd like to add lang din. Kasi baka iniisip ng mga tao, it's all male na nasa cast. But you know what, when I watched it, pag pinapanood din namin, kasi pinanood namin siya sa mga taga AFPI din.
Okay.
Yung mga females talaga, grabe nag-react din talaga.
Tawang-tawa din sila.
Tawang-tawa din talaga sila. It's really, hindi dahil male yung cast namin, it's just for the birds and the big birds.
Right.
It's also for the bird lovers.
Yes. Yes.
Totoo.
Talaga.
As in, it's for everyone,
Kasi
especially
yung parents din naman namin, pinanganak kami dahil sa bird, so they will again.
Kukay, what happened to you guys? Parang hindi ganyan pagkakakilala ko sa inyo nung nag-NMA tayo.
Influensya ng kuya.
Ay,
At saka,
Crazy.
If I may add lang
Chari.
to Kukay, while we were developing kasi the script, the story.
si Chari parang ang bait-bait eh, so hindi ko ma-imagine na nanonood siya ng IMDb.
Hindi halata.
Ay, hindi halata.
Yeah, but, like I said, when we were developing the story of Big Bird, we wanted to do a comedy that would transcend to all genders. Yung hindi lang ma-enjoy ng mga lalaki, but at the same time, ma-enjoy ng mga babae, ng queer people, everybody across, and the whole family. Kasi gusto namin na yung lahat tatawa. At saka gusto namin hindi yung may ma-offend kami. We want everybody to have fun when they watch Big Bird.
Pero bakit gano'n ang name ni Pepe? Hindi ko masabi, I can't say it.
May age, pwede mo sabihin may age.
Pwede mo sabihin.
Pepe,
Or
hindi ka
Jobsy.
paliwanag.
Titi.
Praja?
Titi.
Oh, TT with an H.
Spell.
T-I-T-H-I.
Ah. Sino nag-isip nun? Joma, ikaw?
Tigitig natin mga manunulat.
Hindi Castillo yan eh.
Hindi kasi sa Thailand talaga, yung mga names nila, hindi naman sila Western names.
Right.
So maraming mga names sa kanila na parang we find
Funny.
Oo, pero they mean something else. Like yung name ni Pepe doon, it means na happy-go-lucky. Oo, so pagka tinuloy happy-go-lucky, T.
Ah, okay.
Yung,
Alam mo yon, Pepe?
ngayon ko lang naririnig yun. Sir Joe, for sharing ha.
Pangalan ni Pepe, at least in real life, tapos sa character, hindi ko na rin maintindihan. Ewan ko kung na-gets niyo yun. Ay, nako, Ranvel, huwag mo na isama yun. Nikko, you've done so many different roles in your